What is happening? What's happening, Paris? What is happening, you all? Y'all, what is happening? No, this is not like a regular little thing where we ask about like we get a Jamaican proverb of the day and ask something. This is like a little exercise right in camera, girl. This is the Jamaican green gungo over on the main channel. If you are, I don't know, most of you over on this channel, you're coming all from over there, you know. Okay, so you all know that we had the Jamaican Christmas dinner menu and gungo rice and peas is on it. Green gungo rice and peas. So I'm showing y'all this is what the green gungo, Jamaican green gungo. Most of you where you are, you get it in the tin. But this is what it looks like in the pod. Okay, y'all. So I have my green gungo. I'm going to start shelling it to show you. Right? So this is what it looks like. And some green gone around this, but when I'm done, I will find it. See it here? Some of them are fatter depending on how it goes. This is what it looks like. The green gungo. This is what makes the Christmas rice and peas. Jamaican green gungo, y'all. So, but right here, so, and this is how I shell it. This is how you get it. We're going to get the green gungo out the pod. And this is like £1. It is sold by the pound. When it is like this, it's sold by the pound. Okay, you all. So, this green and fresh. So, we're getting it out the pod. So, as soon as I finish shelling out these, I'm going to shell out all of these. It takes a little time. So, you know, I'm not going to stand up here. Have you all along I shell out gungo rice. I shell out green gungo out the pod. So, this is the gungo and this is the pod that it comes in. So, when this is a pound, as I said to you, it's sold by the pound like this. May I repeat myself? Yeah. So this one is fat. It seems as if they mix them up. These grains are fat. So as soon as we finish shelling off this pound, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna measure it to show you how much I got if I got a half a cup or how much I got. We're shelling this for videoing for the main channel for the green gungo rice and peas. And in the interim, I'm over on my cupboard and I just posted a video. Yes, on the same Tebby Debs here, showing you all that I ain't got no stores, so we haven't posted for a few days on the main channel. But hopefully, by now, by the week for out, we can get for our gungo rice and peas. Cause you know, this was on the thing menu. So, when we come back, but before we go, we give them a shot, camera girl, over which part the stove used today. It's just an empty space. Yeah, so when we come back, we are going to finish it out the gungo and we are going to come back. It is a pound. I'm going to measure it in my measuring cup and show you how much we get. Okay, Parry, I'll finish shell off now. This is what we got from the £1. All fresh and nice green gungo. All natural Jamaican green gungo. So we have the trash here. We call it the pod. These are the trash. This is what all the grains came from. And this is what, you know, you dispose of it. So what we want to do now, we want to get it into our measuring cup to see how much. Normally, you know, I'll be doing something like this right on my table here. But give them a shot, camera girl. Right, my kitchen is like a hot mess now. Because in the video prior to this one, you see what was happening with me on the stove. But we got to make the best of what we got. Okay? So, we have to be careful. We want to get it into our measuring cup. This is £1. So, we're going to see how much. It's sold by the quart. Okay. After you get it out in grains like this, now, it is sold by the quart. At this stage, when it is like this, it is sold by the quart. When it's shell and you have the grains, it's by the quart. When it's in the pod, it's by the pound. So now, we shell out this pound and we got 2 cups. 2 cups. So I don't know how much I'm gonna check to see how much 2 cups would equal to in pint or a quart or something. And let me tell you something, you know, Parry. It'll go on bad down here, you know. Take off my glasses and it'll go on bad at Jamaica, you know. At $250 for the £1 of gungo, you know. So I'm just estimating within myself, doing the math inside of my head while I was shelling it. And I said to myself, come on. Normally I'm get a pound of gungo for $80 or $100 and stuff. But at this time of the year, y'all, all you Jamaicans, you know it, this is in like 200% demand. It is in demand. And Christmas, people don't put rice and peas on the table. It's green gungo rice and peas. So this is in demand like all over Jamaica. People are buying for send up for them family up America, all of you up there. So it is in demand. So I'm doing the math and saying probably if I'm to buy it by the quart now, it will be about like $750 or $800 per quart. Yes. Doing the maths, if this is for $250 per pound, to a quart would probably like sound like about $750, something like that. So it is in demand because this is the season for it. But normally it's the season for it, but normally it wouldn't be so expensive. I don't know what is happening, but it is what it is right now. So you know this will be prepared on the main channel, right? So you gotta hop on over to West Indian Delights. You know that's the main channel. As I said before, a lot of you here on the Debbie Debs, you are here because of the introduction of Debbie Debs from West Indian Delights. So we're going to drop that video. Hopefully then bring my stove for the weekends. So we're going to drop the green gungo rice and peas. And let me tell you, it is a very flat piece. Really flat. It has no flavor like the red peas. So we gotta know how we put it together. So when you come over West Indian Delights, I'm sorry y'all, you'll see how much rice we want to put with this, how we're going to flavor it up. Something is sticking around, fam. Seems like a bug or a cricket or something. I'm sorry y'all. So when you come over there, you see how we're going to take care of this, how we flavor it up, the amount of rice that we're going to put with it, because it's really flat as I tell you, but you'll see over there. Okay y'all, and remember to like, share, and make sure you subscribe. Lots more to come. Okay y'all, love you, love you, love you. From my stoveless kitchen, it's the Jamaican Debbie Debs checking out from the Jamaican Green Gungo. Love you.